Hello, Mwakwaba, about walking in the light, so. Within the brother junior upon Gilbert. Men and women will see pornography is sinful. Yes, we name so dear to home for. What send your money so? Subscribe to channel, so won't subscribe. We are Bobea so. Neighbor first one, send it may be a binya. Why? And I feel so share comments. Why share among your own so between a coupon as a baby. Neddy family, say be a unya be a bissau. For any one now. Or more so more flow more common sense. But I can say Christian, the word Christian, and I Christians no. If we him, na the abetu so. Empo Bible ma, e nipa kuobinum ankasa and edit for yen enti Christians no. It shall say ye free so. And I'm missing me aden. One jin tum. Na the won't me ya no see you. I did be anywhere boom, ne dear and near. When you are the opportunity and say, or you believer or you Christian, you we believer, Marty, and you are believer in what? Ain't your me, you know. Christians, one now, warrior eja, and I use Christo, and now one D, na one H. James Matthias, yes, say, it shall say, ye my yet to say, use Christo. Sa for no, any of from Christians. Until trade us near. Why are we called Christians? Didn't I afraid you a Christopher? Ain't he on ye behe? Na baby Jina, I shall see no, you could Jina ewo. Isaiah chapter 62, verse 2. May catch or say, a young come shining and upon account for that I say. It shall say yen din fuforo, din suronkun, edda yeso. Wanka congregation no, namu wana waji wanunya minedino. So make us a congregation now, then the congregation no, any church, so the church must have a name. The church must contain a name. Namu yena ye wum no, one by one yena why it has a dinner the fray. Ne home come share da hodada. Na yebehe ni akopeni home fulfillment a buy. Isaiah chapter 62, verse 2 say, and the Gentiles into blackhead the nations shall see thy righteousness, and all kings thy glory, and those shall be called by a new name. That new name, no Bible new idea, Sanasie. Where the mouth of the Lord shall name. Onya, or say, dim for now, when be free. Sa unko for corner, or mudi, or no yankopon echino. Sama mind for no meji or no yankopon di no. It shall say, sa my mind. Ye fro mudim fufro na din no e wono awrade na ebe frɛ omo sa semwe Isaiah chapter 62 verse 2 e nkom hye a o hye afa yen a Christopher ho din tie frɛ ho Christians 62 verse 2 na ka sa semwe na enwe verse 4 to 12 Isaiah chapter 4 verse 12 Isaiah chapter 4 verse 12. No, yenti asema oka achire. Sorry. Isaiah chapter 60 verse 3. Isaiah 60 verse 3. And the Gentiles into bracket nation shall come to thy light, and the kings to the brightness of thy rising. Into ntia we are light. Christopher Sunkum, enti wana moon shedan tias ye no. Mo try some persecute name no. Say yen na edi ato ye ho so. Onua dabi yan kasa yen fa hwe enye de emto yen ho so. Enti se wonim ade a and try say obeka hwe. Yen hwe sasem we ankasa biem e wo 65 verse 15. 65 verse 15. Or say, Isaiah 65 verse 15. And ye shall leave your name for a curse unto my chosen. For the Lord God shall slay thee, and call his servants by name or by other name. Wasna kabim Isaiah na ninko for no na kwa no ye servant mo no awrade no obetri yen din. It was here within na den ti am pese benya din awo ka kire se yen yakofa din bi na ede aide atfo yen ho so onwa da bi no Nyankopon no na ayede ahye setwa se yenya din eto ye ho so enti enye obibia fulfillment eba Acts chapter 11 verse 26 Acts 11 verse 26 Acts 11 verse 26 upumpu no kore no no what say and when he had found him he brought him unto Antioch. And it came to pass that a whole year they assembled themselves with the church and taught much people. And the disciples were called Christians first in Antioch. Unya is Antioch in Israel. There be anywhere. Enti a person be jin kwanhye na tum so enti an komhye ne kan no 62 verse 2 ni say the Gentiles. Antioch was a Gentiles. The members na no mo Antioch Church of Christ man asafonim no mo ye Gentiles amamanfo. Antioch na ya amaman ni Israel. Enti o kan say Gentiles to like that nations no ombe fro omo a Christopher a new name on where at the amon untie fulfillment neighbor Acts chapter 11 verse 26 sa Antioch no hona ye free omo a Christopher if we said you one na omo se waji Nyankopon Yesu Kristo adi no de omo ye no na ese Yesu Kristo and now to omo team fufro na Isaiah 62 verse 2 ne say e ono awurade no e na ahye ono awurade no e na aka say yemfre ye dim foforo na din no eyo no efru no ono awurade wo o say and the name shall be called from God enti enye wo wasema na argument abeba no e na watwa o say and the mouth of the Lord shall name enti how can say and taught much people and the disciples were called himfo binom say be pagan himfo wangbo nkufoko na so se wo from so ebe Nyankopon komhye ni kire say ono na ebe from nti odibe tindi afani pa no mo ho a omuhu omo no eso enti omo afro mo Christopher Christians e wo Bible onua na obi si na nitness so na Christianity na ono de ye nipa brofo scholars omo baaye a omo mfa Bible no en hwe de nti se nke e kan ye de religion eso so a o si religion papa eni religion a omo di onu Nyankopon apedefo eya adoye enti ze eba ni se ye fa ni e di religion na be so som no so a eye Christian religion enye Christianity we scholars bi na eba omo de adisua ba wiase na omo de sanity na Islam for omo ti be die wo ba Quran nim ubi se make na so so no e ohun ma ni yan say scholars omo be no e na de so traditional and it was tradition che say minor team no mu some ana shede ana de mine ye no e na tradition this country na wo mti Ghana tradition say code dress code ni ade no culture no tradition and as scholars be traditionalist and list e bia nye de ega ho so niti abeso so afa me share ye de esi Christian religion and Christians ye Christopher enti sa argument ni do team na me ko me obisa say me de nyama ka me Christian me ka me Christianity e de mbrofo enti ye bewe na da fofore be beto aso quotations bebre ne ho I prove say of le yen ye adi no a Christopher na ya behwe ba ko abede de kun kom se ba ko da fofore hia ye beto aso within the brother you know kon give subscribe to channel na we nya part 2 e be ba no why are we called Christians Yemko part 2 Meshiao da foforo working the light now ya da Jakostra Church of Christ India ebom behu mo blekum se fa number so wa se bia ka etimanya mo WhatsApp na ko